everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Bronte for those of you that are new here, and in today's video I will be doing a whole house speed clean with me, and I'm going to get as much of my house clean as possible. As you can see, it's kind of a disaster, and my mom is coming to town, so I want to get it as clean as I possibly can without spending my whole entire day cleaning. If you are new here, stick around and subscribe. I'd love to have you. There's all things motherhood, lifestyle, and cleaning motivation on my channel, and we would just love for you to stick around and join the family. It's written all over your face. I'm starting today's video a little differently than I usually do, and I'm going to start with doing some laundry. I'm doing a load of towels, and I'm using the Kirkland Ultra Clean Lavender Scented Detergent and distilled white vinegar to freshen up my towels and get rid of any dingy towel scent. I just fill up the laundry detergent dispenser to the normal level with my laundry detergent of choice, and then in the softener dispenser I put the distilled white vinegar. I'm just using the Great Value brand, and I fill that up to the max level. This way, if you put it in the softener thing, it will disperse it throughout your laundry cycle slowly. You don't want it like going in first thing. And if you do have a distilled white vinegar scent left over, you can just run it on an extra rinse. You knocked on my window. I'm moving on to the kids' bathroom now. I will be using this Clorox Cleaning Bleach Gel Toilet Bowl Cleaner in the toilet. I like to put it in there and then I'll just let it sit while I do other stuff. And then I'm going to use the Clorox Cleaner plus bleach to clean the kids' bathtub and the shower area, clean the handles, clean the faucet, basically just clean everything so that my children have a nice clean bath to bathe in. I really like to use bleach products when I'm cleaning the showers or the baths. I feel like it just gets everything super clean, and then I just give it a really good rinse and make sure that I've rinsed it at least a couple of times, especially in the kids' bathroom. I don't want them sitting in bleach. If you think that strategy smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. You guys, I am moving up in the world. I got disposable gloves to clean the toilet, and I'm pretty sure it was the smartest thing I've ever done. I hate using the reusable ones to clean the toilet because I feel like I need to throw them away after because, hello, it's the toilet. I'm just going to use that Clorox bleach cleanup spray to clean the toilet and clean around the toilet. I'm also using it on the counters and the sink and pretty much any surface that I can to get everything super nice and clean for my kids, for my mom, and just for our life. I'm using the Great Value glass cleaning spray. It works super well. It's just like Windex, it just doesn't smell like Windex. I'm gonna vacuum the floors in the bathroom before I come in here and try to mop anything up, get any hair or anything that might be left behind on the floors. I'm gonna use the Swiffer Sweeper wet heavy duty pads on my Swiffer to mop up the bathroom floors. I'm gonna move on to cleaning up Tegan's room now. My son is 4 years old. Usually I would have him help me pick stuff up, but today I just wanted to get everything done as fast as I could. So I'm just gonna pick up his entire room, make his bed, put all of his books back, and then move on to dusting it and vacuuming it before I move on to anything else in the rest of the house. I got this idea from my friend Monica here on YouTube, Monica Rose. She's amazing, by the way. You should definitely check her out. But I was dusting my walls last week in my last cleaning video, and she told me to get the Swiffer sweeper and dust the walls that way. She is a genius because it worked so well and was so much quicker than what I was doing in my last cleaning video. I'll have that link below so that you guys can check it out. It took me forever to do it. So I'm just gonna vacuum up Tegan's room using my Shark Rocket Upright Vacuum. I love this vacuum so much. It suctions very well, it stores really easily, and it maneuvers super well too. And moving on to my daughter's room now, I'm just gonna dust and vacuum her room. And if you are new here, you do not know this, but we just moved into our house about a month ago, so I haven't really had the time to decorate the kids' rooms or really anywhere in the house yet. I'm just kind of living in the space to kind of see how I feel about it and how I want to decorate it. So that is why you will notice that most of the stuff is not decorated around here. Moving on to my bedroom now. I'm not going to do a ton of stuff in here. I deep cleaned my bedroom and my bathroom not too long ago, and I'm just going to make my bed and then I'm going to vacuum my room because vacuuming is therapeutic to me and I just love doing it, and I feel like it really just makes your house feel so much cleaner, especially when you have those nice carpet lines when you're cleaning.
Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let things go. I'm so lost I can't see the shore. You know what that means. We've been
making my way down to the kitchen using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner in the mint scent. I'm using it on my new island that I got for my birthday. My birthday is on the 25th, but I got it as an early birthday present. I love this island. If you've been around for a while, you will know that that is a new piece in our kitchen, and it seriously just makes me want to redo my whole kitchen. So this fall, when my garage is no longer an oven, I'm taking on the task of resurfacing and repainting our kitchen cabinets. Wish me luck. But I'm using that Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day to clean basically everything in the kitchen, the countertops, the island, the stove, and I will also use it on the outside of the oven and the outside of the microwave. I am going to be taking off the burners, as you can see, to clean underneath them. Usually I will take the knobs off, but today I'm just going to surface clean them because, like I said in the beginning, I'm trying to do a speed cleaning and sometimes I just get a little carried away. But I always like to clean really well on the stove, clean around the burners and all that kind of stuff when I am cleaning the stove.
We never take things slow. I lose my self-restraint. I think we're done.
So I'm gonna clean up the living room now. I'm just gonna pick up all of the toys that are scattered everywhere from my children. Typically, I would have them clean it up with me, or at least have my son Tegan clean it up with me, but today I was not in the mood to fight that battle with the 4-year-old about who's gonna pick up what. So he's just hanging out, having quiet time while I clean. I'm vacuuming the floors, and then I'm going to be moving on to the bathroom. I'll be using that same toilet bowl cleaner that I used upstairs and bleach spray to clean basically the whole potty because, like I said, I got a little boy, and little boys and potties, if you're a boy mom, you know what I'm talking about. I also used the bleach on the floor around the toilet, so you'll just see me scrubbing the toilet and scrubbing the floors periodically. I'll be using the same bleach cleaning spray on the sink, and then I'm also going to be using that Great Value glass cleaner that I had used upstairs to clean the bathroom mirror.
Stay with me and I have no doubt you'll make a painting that makes you proud.
And now I am using that same Swiffer with the wet pads to mop up the floors downstairs as well. I need to get a new floor cleaner to use my O-Cedar mop, so if you have a favorite, let me know what your favorite floor cleaner is. I hope that this video gave you guys motivation you might be needing to get your cleaning done, your speed cleaning, your deep cleaning, whatever sort of cleaning you might need to be doing. Thank you guys so much for watching and being here. If you are new, subscribe to my channel. I would love more than anything for you to stick around and join us for more cleaning videos and all things motherhood and lifestyle. I hope that you guys have an amazing day. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.